Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Saturday, February 1st, 2025. Happy February. I can't believe that it's February already. But I hope you're having a great day. In this video, I just want to talk to you about the secret to making money online this year. All right, and these are just my secrets, if you want to call them that. But this is what I do, and it's something that's very easy to follow, easy to copy. And it just works if you work it, okay? So what I do, the first thing you want to do is you want to find a product or service, preferably something that you're passionate about, in a niche that you're passionate about, and something that has recurring income, something where you can make recurring income, all right? Because there's a lot of programs out there, but they're like a one-time payment that you receive if you make a sale, all right? So you want to have something where if you refer someone to the opportunity or the service, you're going to get a commission from them, but also something that allows you to build a residual income off of the opportunity. All right, and once you have that, you want to have a system in place that does all the selling and telling for you. And then you want to drive traffic to those systems. Okay, and the best way that you can drive traffic to those systems is to personally, you want to brand yourself. You want to have a personal brand. So if you are in the, let's say that you're a passionate golfer and you love to golf, all right, and you have a product or service in the golf industry that you can share with other people. Well, you want to brand yourself as the expert with that product or service. All right, you want to have it so that people, when they see you, they know that you're the guy to go to for golf, all right, or for whatever that product and service is. So I'm in the make money online niche, and I want people to know when they see me that I'm the guy to go to if they need help making money online. All right, so you want to brand yourself. And because when you brand yourself, you're going to attract people to you, okay? It's called attraction marketing. And people will seek you out when they need help in whatever it is that you're passionate about, whatever it is that your product or service is about. Okay? So find a product or service, set up some systems, drive traffic to those systems, and brand yourself. Those are the secrets to how you can make money this year, okay? It's not very hard to do. It's the key to it all is showing up every day, taking massive action, and staying consistent. And when you can do that, then you can have success with anything, all right? Because that's what it boils down to. It just boils down to staying consistent. All right, and when you can throw in the way you market this stuff, it's obviously you want to personally brand yourself, but I do offline and online marketing to drive traffic to my systems. Okay, so with online marketing, I have many different places that I share my links with people online. And then I have these videos that I make on YouTube and Facebook. And those are the only two social media platforms that I focus on, is Facebook and YouTube. All right, so Facebook and YouTube, I make videos, and I have a few other spots where I share my link online with other people. Then for offline marketing, I do direct mail marketing. Okay, and I have 2 direct mail opportunities that I'm a part of. And when you join these opportunities, the product that you get are leads. And these leads are opportunity-seeking leads. So these are people searching for ways to make money from home. So what I do is I mail out letters, and I include the opportunities in my letter. So here I have the 2 postcard opportunities, all right? Now, you can make money by sharing these postcard opportunities with other people. So I include both my postcards in the letter. Then I include the drop cards I have for my other business opportunities inside the letter. And then I include a business card, joinruss.com. All right, this is something else you can do. You can get a domain name for $12 a year through GoDaddy. You can get a box of business cards, and you can forward your domain name to whatever offers you have or whatever capture page system you have set up for your offer. And when you do both of these together, not only are you branding yourself, but you're sharing every single opportunity that you're part of with people. And we all know that the more eyeballs you get on an opportunity, the more sales you're going to make. Right? It's just common sense. Those are the secrets. Those are what you want to have in place to make this all work. All right? If you have an opportunity and you're just making one post every month about it on your Facebook, or you're doing one video every month on YouTube, you're never going to get anywhere with that. You have to stay consistent and show up every single day and take action. That is what successful people do. All right, now when you join me in any of my opportunities, all right, you can go to joinruss.com, check out all the opportunities I'm a part of. You're going to get my resource page with over 80 different places you can share your opportunity online with other people. All right, 99% of the places are free. You're going to get my letter template that I use to send out in my direct mail offerings. And you're going to get my contact information so you can reach out to me anytime you have any questions or need any help. All right, because I want you to be successful. And I also have an accountability coaching program for those of you who are really serious about taking your online business to the next level. All that information can be found on joinruss.com. So just to recap everything, you want to have a product or service that you're passionate about. You want to have a system in place that does all the telling and selling for you, to where all you have to do is go and drive traffic to that system, and then let the system do all the selling and telling for you. All right, and that's what I have. Every one of my programs and opportunities, I have a system in place that when somebody goes and requests more information, the system takes over, sends out emails on my behalf, gives them more information, everything they need to get started. So basically, my only job is to get eyeballs onto my systems. All right, and in the meantime, you want to be making content and creating videos to where people can see that you are a leader in whatever niche that you're in, that you're an expert in whatever it is that you're talking about. All right, you want to be practicing what you're preaching to everybody. Right? So if you go and look at my YouTube, I make videos almost every single day. And it's talking about how to make money online. And I'm showing you guys exactly how I'm doing it. So I'm branding myself. I have opportunities that I'm sharing with others that I'm passionate about. I have the marketing systems in place. And I have ways to drive traffic to those systems. All right? And the real secrets... So that's what you have to have in place. And then the real secret to making money online this year is deciding that you're going to commit to whatever opportunities that you're a part of and show up every single day. There's some days I don't feel like making videos, but I just do it anyway because I know that's what you have to do. Right? Winners never quit. Quitters never win. So you have to show up every day. You have to take massive action, and you have to stay consistent. And if you do that, you will have success online, okay? And I can't guarantee you're going to have any success because I don't know. It's all based on your work ethic, and I don't know you or your work ethic, but I can tell you that I have people join me in all my opportunities, and the action takers are the money makers and the ones who have success. The ones who do those 4 things. They show up every day, take massive action, stay consistent, and they commit to whatever it is that they're sharing with other people. All right? So, if you have any questions, reach out to me. Again, you can go to joinruss.com, check out my opportunities, check out the services I offer. Reach out to me. I'm here to help you out. All right. So I hope you have a great first day of February. I hope you have an awesome month. Set goals now for this month and then start crushing them. Okay. So I appreciate you taking the time to watch this. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.